If you've ever felt like you're not good enough to call yourself a producer, stop right there, because there are 5 weird signs that most beginners completely ignore. And if even one of these sounds like you, you're way further along than you think. Sign number 1. You hate almost everything you make. Sounds bad, right? It's not. New producers who don't know any better think their first beat is a masterpiece. But if you're being harsh on your own mixes, comparing your low end to your favorite artists, noticing your hi-hats sound thin, that's not weakness. That's your ear developing. Bad producers don't even know what to criticize. Sign number 2. You get randomly obsessed with one tiny sound, like you'll spend 40 minutes just on a sub bass, or you keep tweaking one snare for way too long. People think that's wasting time. It's actually the opposite. It means you're starting to hear detail other people skip right past. That obsession is your sound design instinct kicking in. Sign number 3. You can't listen to music the same way anymore. You used to just vibe to a song. Now you catch yourself thinking, wait, is that a sidechain? Or that's a respace? Or why does this drop hit so much harder? Once your brain starts breaking songs apart, automatically, instead of just enjoying them, that's a real milestone. Most people never get there. Sign number 4. You've rage quit a project and came back to it anyway. Every real producer has slammed their phone down after a beat wasn't working. The difference between someone who improves and someone who gives up isn't talent. It's that the improving ones always come back. If you've ever taken a break and reopened that same project a day later, you already have what it takes. Sign number 5. You start hearing mistakes before anyone tells you. Clipping, muddy low end, a melody that's slightly off key. If you're catching these yourself, even just sometimes, that's huge. That means your ears are doing what mixing engineers spend years training for. So, if 2 or more of these sound like you, you're not behind. You're actually right on track. You just don't have the tools and techniques yet to match what your ears already know. That's exactly what this channel is for. Subscribe and let's fix that together, one beat at a time.